Welcome to the amped wireless installation video for the high-power AC1200 and AC1750 Wi-Fi range extenders, the RE20V2 and the RE1750A. Before we start, we need to find an optimal location to place your range extender for setup. The range extender should be placed in a location where it can obtain a strong signal from your home router. This is typically somewhere up to halfway between your home router and your dead spot. If the range extender is placed in a location where it can only receive a poor signal from your home router, then the poor signal will be extended, making the extended network slow and unstable. Find a location where you can still receive a strong signal from your home router. We recommend a location that you can receive 4 to 5 bars when using your wireless laptop to connect to the wireless router. After you've found your optimal location, you'll need to connect to the range extender. Let's start by locating the antennas included with the product and attach them to the antenna ports on the back of the range extender. Next, plug the range extender into an available power outlet. Locate your computer, tablet, or smartphone and power it on. Go to the Wi-Fi settings for your device and find the 2.4 and 5.0 Wi-Fi networks named Amped Wireless RE20V2 or Amped RE1750A. Once connected, open your web browser and type http://setup.ampedwireless.com into the web address bar. The web menu supports Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Safari web browsers. If you are using Firefox or any other web browser, please switch to one of the supported web browsers instead and access the menu again. You do not need an internet connection to access the setup menu. It is served from the range extender directly. If the web menu fails to open, type in this web address instead: 192.168.1.240. If you continue to have problems accessing the menu, disconnect from all Wi-Fi networks and attach an Ethernet cable from the network port on the range extender to your PC. Open your web browser and try accessing http://setup.ampedwireless.com again. If you still cannot access the menu, please call 888-573-8820. When the range extender web menu appears, you will see the welcome page for the dashboard. This page gives you the current status of the range extender. The home or office wireless router that you will be extending is referred to as your home network. The repeated network is referred to as your extended network. Click Scan to begin the setup process and to begin scanning for your home network. The range extender will detect both 2.4 and 5 GHz networks and list them here. You can select either a single 2.4 or 5 GHz network, or you can select both if you have a dual band capable router that you are extending. When you see your desired networks listed, check to see that it has a signal strength of 70% or greater. If the signal strength from your home network is less than 70% on either the 2.4 or 5 GHz network, or you do not see your home network on the list, your range extender may be placed too far from your home or office router. Reposition the range extender closer to your home or office router and run the setup again. Once the networks that you wish to repeat show a signal strength above 70% and you have selected your home networks, click Next. You will be prompted to enter the security key for the selected networks. If you select a dual band network to extend, you will need to enter both security keys here. If your home networks do not require a security key, simply leave this field blank. If you don't know the security key for the network you are trying to extend, then you will need to select another network to repeat. After you've selected your wireless network and entered the security key, click Next. The Extended Network Settings page allows you to configure settings for your extended networks. The range extender provides 2 extended networks, a 2.4 GHz extended network and a 5 GHz extended network. We recommend that you don't change any of these settings. However, if you choose to, you may do so here. The Extended Network ID is the identification name of your extended network that users will use to connect to your extended network. This name should not be the same as your home network. If you choose to, you may copy the network ID and security settings from your home network by clicking Clone Settings. The wizard will automatically use your home network ID and add the letters RE to the end of the name so you can identify the extended network from your home network. The security key will be exactly the same as what you currently use for your home network. You can also manually enter a new network ID and security key. The security key will need to be at least 8 characters or more. Click Next to apply the settings. The range extender will now apply your settings and reboot. This process may take up to 2 minutes, so please be patient. During the countdown, do not leave or refresh this page. Allow the countdown to complete, and the wizard will automatically redirect you to the next step. After the countdown completes, you will need to reconnect your PC or mobile device to the new extended network. You may connect to either the 2.4 GHz network or 5.0 GHz network. Go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and connect to your new extended network. The extended network's Wi-Fi ID and security key can be found at the top of the page. The page will also provide instructions on how to connect to the extended network using different operating systems. Once you have connected, return to the web menu and check the box to confirm that you are connected. The next button will appear, allowing you to complete the setup process. If there are any problems with your configuration, the wizard will inform you to rescan for your home network. If you continue having problems, please contact Amped Wireless's Elite Support at 888-573-8820. If your settings are correct, you will see a summary of your connection details. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your extended network. Connect any wired devices such as computers, Blu-ray players, televisions, and other devices that need network connectivity using the 5 gigabit network ports on the back of the range extender. The range extender automatically selects the home network your devices will use when connected to the range extender's wired ports. If you wish to define whether wired connections are routed through the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz home network, you may do so under the Network Settings Wired Port Routing web menu. For more information on Amped Wireless products, please visit our website. Thank you for purchasing this Amped Wireless product.